Hey, what's going on today, guys? Trey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over my daily gut health routine. A lot of people are starting to discover and realize that the gut is the root cause to a lot of health-related issues, ailments, diseases, and whatnot. I'm one person that has had a ton of gut-related issues over the years. I've had my gallbladder removed. I've had several endoscopies done. I've had pretty much every operation imaginable on my stomach because things have been completely imbalanced down there over the years, but I have reversed every single ailment that I've had. So if you are one of those people that have had any of those issues that I just named, please watch this till the end because there's some really great stuff here. And I think you'll be able to reverse any issues or ailments that you've had. Now, I do want to give a quick disclaimer. I'm not a medical professional. I'm not giving you health-related advice. I'm just a guy that wants you to feel better. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. So first thing I do when I get out of bed is I wake up and I take this turmeric shot. It's made by a company called Urban Remedy. I actually went on their IG. They've been around for some years. But the thing I love about it the most is it is cold pressed, it's organic, it tastes great, and it only includes like 5 simple ingredients, which is pineapple, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and cayenne. It's really not too spicy. It tastes great. So I'm gonna take it real quick, just to show you my daily routine. And I take it to the head. Like I don't sip it, I just take it straight to the head. All right, that's the first thing. The second thing I consume is a scoop of coconut colt. Now, coconut colt is extremely popular, obviously, if you are familiar with it. It's impossible to find, but it tastes great. And so I just basically take a scoop like this. Delicious. It is a little bit on the tart side, but that coconut flavor just comes through. And be careful with this stuff because it does have a ton of probiotics in it, so it'll have you living on the toilet. So I make sure to only have 1 scoop a day. All right, the next thing that I have is gonna sound a little bit weird, but I actually have a couple of scoops of sauerkraut in the morning. I mean, yes, I know it's gonna sound super crazy, but this stuff is great to me. I just have a couple of forkfuls, no complaints. Oh, and brand-wise, I get this from Costco. It's called Wild Brine. I think it was just the cleanest sauerkraut that I saw. There was no like added sugars or anything like that. It's not sweet. This isn't sauerkraut that you'll find at like a Yankees or a Red Sox game. This is just pure sauerkraut. It tastes delicious. It's nice and briny. I'm spilling shit everywhere. But I just have a couple of forkfuls of these. It works out great. Next thing I have is kimchi. Now, I know that's gonna sound super weird. Trey, why the hell are you having kimchi for breakfast? But it just tastes great. As you can see, this like, I run through this stuff like crazy, but I do keep it on deck. So I keep that thing on me, you know? So no, it tastes great. It really helps start my morning. So I just have a couple of forkfuls of these. I can't really handle spicy food since having my gallbladder done, but this stuff is just perfect. Super gut friendly. It's gonna help really keep your gut in check for sure. So good. So the next thing I take is some sea moss gel, and I love this stuff. The reason why I'm taking it so late is because they actually recommend not taking it on an empty stomach. The company that I go with is called True Sea Moss. I found them on Instagram, and this is the mango and pineapple flavor. So I just take a scoopful of this. It's delicious. Oh, so good. That's so good. And the final thing I take is some bone broth. This stuff is crucial. It tastes great. I've been trying bone broth over the years. This is my favorite by far. I love the ginger and turmeric flavor. Both ginger and turmeric are great for fighting any imbalances in the gut, and it just tastes really good. So what I do is I take a coffee mug such as this. It is gonna be a little bit gelatinous. Give me a second. So I dump this in here, pour a little bit. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch. Yeah, do about that much. You can see it is pretty gelatinous. And then I throw this in the microwave. I know microwaves are super controversial, but I still put it in the microwave. And yeah, I just drink it like it's a cup of coffee. Just try not to burn your tongue, obviously, like I tend to do every time. Now, this last thing is completely optional, but I find that it just helps really round out everything that I've consumed in the morning, and that is organic coconut water. It's super gut friendly. It tastes great. I'm a huge fan of the Kirkland brand, which is the Costco brand, and it just tastes so good. It's completely organic, no sugar added, not from concentrate, no BS, no mess in here. Tastes outstanding. And yeah, I'll just sip on this throughout the morning. It tastes so good. Okay, so I do have 3 honorable mentions that I would be remiss if I didn't mention. The first is going to be slippery elm bark powder. This stuff is amazing. If you suffer from acid reflux, you take this stuff, you mix it in some water. You got to mix it up real well. It kind of turns into like a, almost like a syrup or like a gelatin. And just consume this stuff and it'll really help protect the lining of your esophagus and anything that comes with acid reflux. This stuff is incredible. Another honorable mention is raw honey. Now, I do live here in the state of Florida. This stuff is everywhere. I personally love this brand. I'm not sponsored by them at all, but if you do see them, or they have a website as well, it's called Sweet Bee Company. It is raw honey. It is completely organic. It tastes great, but I take like a spoonful of this a day with some salt sprinkled in it, and I feel amazing. It's super gut friendly for me personally. And the final honorable mention is something called Shilajit. This stuff has completely been a game changer for me personally. My erections are harder. My stomach feels better. I just feel invincible taking this stuff. I literally took a spoonful of this stuff before the Disney Marathon a couple of days ago, and I just felt incredible, right? I was able to get through it. I was able to recover. This was only, like I said, it was only a couple of days ago, and I'm standing here making this video, so this stuff is a true miracle. I literally just take a spoonful of this stuff every morning, and it really helps, and it keeps things flowing for me personally. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. I think I'm gonna do a part 2 to this video, just talking about the supplements that I take, because I take quite a few, and those have also made a major difference for me personally. They have really helped to improve the balance within my gut. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions for me personally, just feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Just real quick to explain sort of my history, man, I've experienced it all, right? I was getting screened for cancer this time last year. Ended up having my gallbladder removed. Like I had all this different radiation and stuff pumped into my body and just craziness. Life was crazy. My gut was beyond imbalanced, right? All these medications, all these serums, all these, all these different things that aren't supposed to be in your body, right? It's just, it made life extremely difficult for me. I'm blessed to still be here. I run every day. Look, life is hard as it is. I'm making this video to really help anybody out there. I've researched for years ways to improve my gut health, right? I've been working with gastroenterologists. I've seen specialists. I've been working with all these people and nobody has given me a concrete answer. And sadly, I've lost a lot of hope and faith in Western medicine. I've been strategically researching all of the different naturopathic remedies and, I've seen and I've reaped the benefits of them. So I'm not calling out Western medicine. My own father works in Western med, but for me personally, I just, I've lost faith and I've just found that this method works for me. Now, just a quick disclaimer, what works for me might not work for you, but I'm telling you what, try these things that I consume on a daily basis for a month or two, get back to me, tell me how you feel and tell me you don't feel better. I dare you, I challenge you. So that's gonna do it for me. If you found any value in this video, please give it a huge thumbs up as it does help the channel and your humble narrator in a number of ways. I love you guys, I miss you guys. Stay tuned for part 2, talking about the supplements that I take specifically. And it's 2025. Let's get our guts right. Let's get healthy. Let's be happy. Love you guys, miss you guys. Take care. Thank you. Mahalo for watching.